Alright, so I got a burned out bulb, Subaru 2003, and the driving light, that's the top bulb. The bottom bulb is the high beam. So we'll be replacing this driver side driving light. Okay, that bulb is just a standard H1 size, so that's what you'll need. Alright, so behind the headlight is this white case, and there's actually, it says lock and open, so you can kind of tell, but you want to just turn that towards the outside of the car. That'll pop off, and then it shows you the two bulbs, the bright bulb and then the one we're replacing. There is one clip just on the light, or one plug, and then there's another plug. You don't need to undo that one. And then there's this little retaining clip thing that you want to push forward and then down, and that releases the bulb, or unlocks it, and then you just kind of gotta fish that thing out, and see, there it is. It basically sits in there like this. There's these nubs here, so it only really will fit one way, but you want that flat side in the sort of towards the wheel. Anyways, grab your new bulb. Make sure not to touch the glass. It's always a good idea not to, so you don't get any of your finger oil on there. And basically carefully put it back in. And then put that clip back on. Then just plug it in. And then just get that tight again. And now, with any luck, that will work. So let's test it. And yep, there we are. Both headlights are now working.